So the question says that a 5-digit code is formed using the following characters. No characters can be repeated in a code. Find the numbers of possible codes if there are no restrictions. So first we have to decide whether this is a permutation or a combination. So we know that permutation is when we are arranging something or putting something in order. And combination is when we are selecting stuff or choosing it. And based on the question, they're asking us to find the number of possible codes, so the codes should be arranged in a specific way. So we'll be using permutations. So since the question is saying that there are no restrictions, we'll count the total. So that is 14 P5. And when you put that into your calculator, you will get 240,240. Or you could use the formula, which is n factorial, n minus r factorial. So that would be 14 factorial over n minus r, so 14 minus 5 is 9 factorial. So that would be 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 and so on, over 9 times 8 times 7 and so on. So we can cross these two, which will leave us with 14 multiply with 13 multiply with 12 multiply with 11 multiply with 10, which is 240,240. So the next question is asking us to find a code that starts with a symbol, so that's 3P1 and then 2 letters, and that is 5P2. 2 numbers is 6P2. So 3P1 is 3, 5P2 is 20, and 6P2 is 30. So the answer would be 1,800. Now the last question says that the first 2 characters are numbers, so that is 6P2 multiply with no other numbers, so that is 8P3. And 6P2 is 6 factorial over 4 factorial. Multiply with 8 factorial over 5 factorial. So that would be 6 times 5 multiply with 8 times 7 times 6. And when you put that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 10,080.